Good evening, everyone. Ngasi si koi keno ne gravity ngasi gi theory khatang ta ga ngasi ne last class oi ga doine sing mudi ka. So duga question hot laga di ngasi loi bangam brangam da bri si ka. So most probably ngasi loi bangam na ba mong ta ke. So once again ka good evening to each and every one of you. And keno ni hazik po buda ko na takiba chapter me ay mamang classes tum repeat to gre ngasi yung repeat to ro ge matam aduda chat pato ka but sir na haigada ma ji kaino have the fazana follow to ko video lecture series ay loi bok ta ka duini ko ni NEET ki physics ki complete oina ko and in case gi aspirant go mana sir gi sigi lecture series yeng bata so it's very beneficial for you as well ko the same syllabus ni everything same ni question nature kai ka da kitang khena bai wani ko so haziki in this sir na no gi JEU indicator to udre kai da adu gi ko na khana ji ko haziki in di na and JEU means kuma tha bai di adum ya ni ko sigi ja more than enough ne so the kin no question kai ka adum sir gi class da yauraga question khang da ko ta bu live class adum hang bagi khudong cha adum lei ko aduga what I want is yam saying na habida noina kahene noida side sir na sum tesiri sam su silly there is kedo ba no yaw da it's up to you optional ni ko ado aina ung tesiri silly na kai habida noina ta saying serious noina prepare to observe satra gai du noigi kahene level of kedo ba noigi keno se ko exam gi ko preparation si kai the lay cam prepare to recall have du sir na monitor to ning ko adu tu gini. And then it's totally free. There the duga sana kahene. Have the level playing field ka pinning by the hana pasana gyan tarakta oigera missed over or whatever any problem amana mara moraga class yawang amogdaba or gyan tauda korog double like with the recorded sessions yengaga or live class yawarga then again hajan and it's absolutely free. Aduga sida it's not for profit or anything like that ka sargidi adum kahani noida sigi adum sargi site ko quality the compromise am ta da bidata best possible way da noida gyan tahan ba and then noina su kana jaba ko and then tung the noina heng di apaba matik chawa doctor moira kan society da muka apaba thabak nyama further noina tawda adu duni sir na pamjawa adu khatang ni ko aduna ripple effect ko ina hatare ko so that's it. Sir ni am hiru bai wadi nate but aina hijaba kharaji anoi da kana dur gadi ko adu maina share towning bai tare ko adu gini so let's move on gravity a solution gena khalli duka handaki upcoming sunday ji da tawdriba test gravity ga experimental physics haigadra ka naina kedoba vernier caliper gumba screw gauge gumba error analysis hai tare ko dimensional analysis then significant figures or digits, accuracy, precision, blah blah, then physical quantities, different types to combine related oi general gravity club so adumain aduga hauziksi kenonina luhong thani na ta surge heng class lo ngam no man de mana be luhong le aduga upcoming kyan tet 9 na 10 la aduda zama gong le aduna kitang di keno tawne aduna ngasi kitang syllabus push to the ya de ka. Anyway, fine. So let's go ahead ka or see class is screen share to ka. Okay, fine. So where were we? Gravitation tormani ka kaja. So to see. Sir nang ngarang phobudda kai to grehebda. Question number kya bu to greh ko ngarang? Acceleration due to gravity at a height h at a depth d to greh So question number 29. Question number kya phone ko ngai to I think question number 28 da phodi to graba male ko let's see but launa ko let's kidoba take a quick recap but launa ko yeng si ko ni ngang to give the question number kya phone to ka ko ni ngang to ba si ko chat sentang ya. So si sim tore then yes so the question number 28 singarang 2 ta the ka dum tore aduga further makha jatra point ko hijik kena tor ka again so Sir class yaubagi take away haigadra ko noina class yaw matamda pangyaw da yaw nataba again kedo we have noina pazar gasu loina magyan ta kada pon nga tani ko noina atopa haidi YouTube ta yengera internet ki help logera or noigi oza natragana noigi yamba iche ko ibung whatever help low with the adum gyan tani ko aduda sarna pamisna kaina habida sisina kitang id structured over program amagi type ta phajana discipline naina consistent wina lakpanina class yawga yawda khenani ko discipline da oigera modoga and then noinda pamis sarna question ji solve to wa matam da ina explain to solve to ina ko aina kamaina wakhan khan ge do adune ba that is more important then just haidi formula pharaga keno to ko katang na taba solution yeng na taba sir na question ji approach to matam da aigi kahene keno do ai tare ko trend of thoughts haigadra pattern haigadra or approach haigadra aigi wakhan ku khan do kamaina khan ge have do adudu noina grass to no hono ko adudu ne important origin aduna question number anything any question when you go is no ko aina kamaina to approach to kamaina khalli and then fundamental principles sing to kamaina apply to we ko adu sing ne main words ko aduga noi kaidoba solve to way wa the solution yeng su ngam ni na ko solve to wa so starting from the center of the earth having radius r the variation of z due to gravity is shown by and have a ko okay see you the question je mathang ja so okay anyway sigi question ji noi ngam gadra ngam mai dra sa haina ro tawzira tawrisira sa haina ro sa haina ro
Sir, tauze.
Tauze ka. Okay. Sigi question ji khang mi yaubra. No response. Kano to ro respond to ro. Sigi question ji khang mi yaubra. Lakshmi khangbra. Christina. Saita boss. Olivia khangbra.
Khangde sir.
Khangde sir.
B tagadro.
Keva D or B?
B.
B for boy. B for ball. Okay. Probably B natraga Z. Sorry, B natra D tagado ni ka. So let's see kay tage ham to yeng si ka. Let's see. Sir solve okay ka. Okay, fine. Starting from the center of the earth, having radius r, the value of z having a got. So moya z is 0 then r probability let's say this is the earth and the radius is r aduna 0 then r for the acceleration due to gravity z inside and outside never got z out and z in so okay fine so z in han puthoge ka z in z kaitani ha matamda capital Z haraga mass of the earth m and then r square do for example this is the earth let's say this is the earth and then aina kaigumba sigi point the center dagi si lapa point this is the r small r sigi small r is capital r dai di hena keno to weba ko less weba sina total radius neba aduna sigi point the laiba acceleration due to gravity to the according to the formula gm by kaitarni have the zm by r square tarni ba and then z out to na kaitani have the capital Z m by harga r square tani ba ko kayum sigi point da in lower pam the acceleration due to gravity to ga adu oiba taragadi kay lakani ha matamda outside tanina magi sigi kaidoba distance haiga whatever again this is not much required one second c in a radius r c r macha sini ko and one second c in r chogu sini ko now okay, do we have the n c sina muka r z when it is outside hai tare ko ona sida lai gadruba z do sina z out never ko and c sina z in never ko so sida lai ba z in duga z out siga puto ko wani so adudi z out sida di ke do we have the capital r square si chumbra chum de ko lali dum small r square dum la kaduni small r square aduda ke do we have the sigi r sina achowa r sineba ko si r sina r macha sineba ko do over targadi akwina kedawi have matamda. Can I write like this? Akwina kedawi have moigisida only kedawa moigise R the kenoto winina my C capital Z iredana ko. Adu akwina kay khangi have the munium ko. Density Z of the earth the constant in akwina. Can I write like this? Mass have a C. Density as a mass per unit volume nino ko mass have the density into volume hayabra 4 by 3 pi haraga kedoba 4 by 3 pi r cube la kadini ko. So r macha cube la ni sigi sida ko. This is m m1 haisira g in ko. This is a mass in harage ko m in harage duna m in have the mass to kedoba sigi mass sigi manungi mass sigi oigadoba sigi mass this is kaino this is m inside the ko habidi sigi point sida aina laigadaba gravitational field do sida lai ko g in se sigi de kaidoni have the we will not consider the entire mass consider to roi ko only sigi mass machet shaded portion je khatang consider tawni ba ko manung dan laibani na ko gyan tabra tadabra gyan daita de ma'am tabro
Mama panda ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯤꯁꯨ distance r macha ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯔꯣ?
haidi r macha haije r macha si sigi manungi zo r macha ni acho mapan gi zo r macha ne ba but r se situation gi matung ina khenar kani ba ko r se na ani makta r dum lowe ba gyan tai ko ta de
ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯣ?
haidi
r macha ꯑꯃ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯒꯤꯗꯨꯅ r macha ꯂꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯒꯤ r machado r macha ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ꯭ꯔꯣ?
mapan gi r si yadi yadi si kaigino ha matam da ne kuina acceleration due to gravity z kuina kaidai lakpanu ha matam da mass into acceleration is equal to capital Z mm by d square ni dana distance square ni dana auna aina lawriba point ani do aduda kaidawi have da muniyam ko sigi mass ani ji kakhrani ba mm ani ji ko aduga sigi a zaina z don thorane ba yan ta right ja si a ji z ta ne do z is equal to this lakadine auna si distance ne distance amukna r do haidi less than the radius of the earth capital R and again second scenario then R do greater than the radius of the earth never gyan tai ta de
Tare.
tai ko si ju R ni and then si ju R never gyan tai ko ja aduna kaido we have the noi dum gyan tar kani ko si ngo mass size ni sumai ni ibi ai ko manungi du ni na ana rho z harga 4 by 3 pi r cube by r square si aina kay ibi I have the sum k times of r habi I ko provided this r is less than the radius of the earth and si gi sida ju chamana na idum torki ko new capital Z rho harga 4 by 3 pi again sigi mass CCD kaido we have the my distance r achobuzi the r macha se radius of the earth chawthokreba but adu bo mass extend to right to deba mass na lei the earth ki radius phawdang neba auna earth ki radius to the 4 by 3 r cube adum lei jar neba and this r square adu is the sum k times of harga r to the power minus 2 la neba ko provided r is greater than radius of the earth haitare ko so sida noina si hapas ui ko do hapas ui it hardly matters aduna di kaidawi ai haproige ka aduna di kaidawi have matam da r zina kaigumba have the small r zina ai distance r zina radius of the earth and p agadi z is kaidawi z is directly proportional to on a straight line ta gadaba on a straight line ta the kai I have the c zima yare c zima yare and then g zina kaigumba radius of the earth and chawta agadi 1 by r square haragadi inverse kaidaba square di curve for ni but reciprocal in na CD reciprocal ang low khangan handa grani ba auna C zima yai C zima yai adu ri karam manu chumme haigadi option number B se chumme ba ko A z somna kanda lale and C zina somna kanda lale ko aduna option number B is the right answer gyan tabra me am sigize kanam ko mapre Gyan tadadi sir asikito tahodre amtang explain to biyo na da hero ko gyan tahobro tahodobro sujaina ro
Tahoe, sir.
ka okay fine kenut kari setabo sta bro setabo se kumaktre tada male sintoi tabra Olivia tabra Olivia Christina raji kumakri da tahodre adi akon kangodre Olivia Christina tabra setabo tabra
Tahoe, sir.
Hi, sir.
tai ko okay fine adu nei tadana tai gadi keno toksun ganu ko tadana tai di hajala kanu ko adu gini nei tasing na tar kan da tai na hero ko so adu duni sumai lei ko dei kana no okay fine okay so kui keno to recon news to den na yaure ko kavita okay fine akui sarna jiktam is ko gravity ni adi acceleration due to gravity ki matang dani so sigi question ji solve toram bane pa ko nang kitang di thengre aduna recorded session oina yengo ko sigi keno je si explain to boloi greba yabra no response okay nang keno de leira library gum de leira anyway fine so let's move on ka okay we have the question number graph question number 30 got the height at which the weight of a body becomes 1 by 16 its weight on the surface of earth is an high yam live question ni question number 30 se ko adne tawzira tawzira hairo question number 30 se saza hairo tawza okay tawz Sarna ngasai class of hai gi do sarna kamai to khan ge have do adune ba yamna maru wari se ko wakhan ji kamai khan ga do no do sarna already no the theory ta matung da ngata ne question holi se ko theory ta te bi do hochan bana te ba aduna kai do we have the kahani the way of thinking hai ga ko the scientific temperament do adu it is the same in any topic hai tare auna atopa topic su sarna ko na talakani adu da kamaina wakhan khan duinu habdo adu du ne ko so aduna scientific way of ko so the height at which the weight of a body becomes 1 by 16 its weight on the surface of earth have again it's so simple ko adu gadi kaino have the mz is equal to 1 by 16 mzh sina tro to du ja have the my weight to surface of the earth the weight to adu dugi 1 by sorry mzh is equal to 1 by 16 mz have yar basi odi ngaubra si gyan ta ne ba ko si gyan ta ne ba khwai de maru ri se adu ga di si m ka kre na tra adu ga di z of h to the kaino have the z haraga height ki di sir na have do nahan sir na have do ke do ba koina depth ki d 1 minus d by re do dum pan bi ba but height ki di ke do we have the 1 minus 2h by re do always pan gadam ni have lay bra lay te ba ko aduna adu palu no ba ko kai no am tam da koi khang de ba gyan tai ko isa just 1 second ko to ge ko ai ka loi tao ai keno ne classroom ne natin je ai keno ta am ne ba ko classroom ne ba adugini ado horen pung keno de agadra mapan makhai gi matung na mu tum le me rang ju pung nati adubudi aina budi amabudi hainare ko so dum ya dum haidi 99% di yare ado hangudi hango du 99% di yare ko adugini hoi adum yani loro da ai dum hayeng ngong haire yani hoi perfect tame ko okay perfect so adudi kai hajiki da noi dum sir no wari sanai da answer loin khangamani azik z harga ke do ba sigi ja 1 plus kaino have the 2h by kari nati 1 plus h by re square have ko 1 plus ke do ba h by re natra whole square neva is equal to haraga z haraga kedowa sisidana mass m kay in a small z equation nor c capital Z me. So again capital Z me then re square neva. So I na c formula say c kana deva ko I won't do this or should I do this? Yes, mind the one of them parade. Re square ama learni then c is my learn. Aduga kedo wasida sida 16 learn. Gyan tabra tadabra taiko. Auna zme ka cre zme ka cre re square ka cre re square ka cre. Audi kedo we have the 1 plus h by re is equal to 16 dare. Adurga the h is equal to harga 15 re tar.
So,
15 r. Yes?
Soidro.
Kayino swear is a hero.
square do, sir.
Square is a dorba.
Square do mathang step to mangal, sir.
Oh,
Root over.
okay. This is a 4 square na tra. Yeah, I'm sorry. Sorry. I go hold dress is no. Kay ne was gida. This is 4 square hayare ka. Aduna 4 adudi cc 4 dang hayar ni. Ka kay no the 16 is the 4 square ni na ka aduna 4 minus 1 the 3. So 3 re have 3 re. Option number can you tabrion? C tabrion.
Tại.
Sorry.
Ano sir, si GME by RE square siya natajo. Kasi G masyado yung kaktanariyado nga.
Kaya was kita Z
Kasi, awang-bagi, di G, formula di, G by 1 plus H by R whole square na ne?
G harga kaya ba?
R plus G by E raje, mathagta minus 2 hoita na ba?
G by 1 plus
H by
H
R
by RE
whole square.
whole square. Okay. C is G of H ne ka. Okay. Na I do see yai. C is 16 harga C is kakrakanda. Sumain to siya abra. Yeah. C is yai. Adurga di 1 plus H by RE Z kay gamanare 4 gamanare. Adurga di H C kay na the 3 times of RE gamanare. C is yai ka. Okay. C is yai ka. Good observation. So sumain to siya. No. As long as no answer 2 na tao dun ko pamiji ka. Chum na taba 2 na taba. Ka adugini aina 16 j square root logo ka or aina 16 asmo 15 ga hapsalam one aina. Chum me na hara thola ka deni yo chije. Gyan tabra bekada as ay du ya light or me na. Aduga sorry am deni ba duna mit thak pa ya deba ka. Okay fine. Yar ba ma'am? Gyan tabra?
Hi, sir.
Ay ka. Okay
Hi,
fine.
sir.
Anjali Kavita tabra? Kavita is new way ka deni ka. Kavita?
Yes, sir.
Tayo ka.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Christina tabro. Dagi sintoina library la event cheta dum ko ka. Sir, tare. Dum tayo ka. Okay, fine. So, let's move on to the next question. Ka. Yam live in the gravity. Question number 31. The dependence of exertion due to gravity Z on the distance r from the center of the earth assumed to be a sphere of radius r and of uniform density is as shown in figure and ka. Obviously, CD ko sigda tawre option number 4 ze tarni ka. Khangobra jikida. Chamane si kaino da tawgi to. Si siga chamana draw. 4 ze tarni. 4 have the option number kaya tarni udia. Option number kay tarni. Option number A tabriong 31 ze. No si da jumoy na trick chanai je une. 1 2 3 4 have option number A da si 4 ze 4 ga match to 1 ga match to da. Moina ka si da khoi di si 4 tarni D da taklam ko chalo ne la la ni. Kay na D da pyramid 3 ne ba ka. Aduna si gi si section ga dam ne ba. Ma'am sir na hening is kyan tabra?
Hi, sir.
Taiko. So sige kaino 2010 की question जी कई तागेम तियो option number A तागदबा अदि C option जी दना 4 अदुगा A B C D जी दना A 4 जी ताब्रेम
Tay, sir.
ताइको adune sidi explain to dusu yare ko sir already to grabne ba kavita nang kitang thiengre ba ko aduna ngasi gi se horen recorded session sir na kaino da NSH project ano ko nature science humanity NSH project YouTube ta ko YouTube ta upload torkani aduga aduda dum yengo hor koi part ta ko just how bada ngai bine nangi the question am katang ni miss toy da ko so adu question du chama ne si je ko aduna ai hanjal la roge now gravitational potential energy is koi aina already ta create no question khara solve to ji lu do man ba aduga escape speed ta ke ba ko pung je ta huzun gi ji khangau de so gravitational okay Nikhil ka welcome to the class nang kitang di thiengre ka okay fine Nikhil na kananda libra library de libra Nikhil library de libra ka de leira no response okay yeah refer gravitational potential energy ki formula do kay no minus z m1 m2 by r natra ningzingi ba or no response kay no kan ko mutri ja any gravitational potential energy ta ki do si ki sidara gravitation si lere universal law of gravitation extraction due to gravity sida natte next ki class si ki sida ni ka ta ki do gravitational potential ta hai and then gravitational potential kari energy sida lei to ka sida sim ta height to gina te or kai lei sida minus z m1 m2 by r si sina gravitational potential energy ne ba ko adu sina change in gravitational potential energy when the mass is moved higher or displaced from r1 to r2 r2 is the final position r1 is the initial position ka and mathang the gravitational potential are going to minus gm by r potential difference are going to gm are 1 upon r1 minus 1 upon r2 so this is gravitational field see ko already hanalo in tawgre ka so see the base the over question khara holaji and duga we are good to go so question number 32 the work done to raise a mass m from the surface of the earth to a height h which is equal to the radius of the earth is si work done to kya in have ko so si no ngam gadra ngam gadra sa designer ro tawzira response noi sasat launa ke no tawsalo natragadi matam yam mange ba sumai noi da noi na khumak tabe ina ngai bza matam yam mange ba noi na sasat laung khuma gadi matam yam save to gudoi ne ba kyan ta bra kyan ta bro ma'am okay sir gizi kamai to tat lu ino zikida all right so kaidawa 1 second call let me share the screen okay fine so question number 32 ji ma'am noi ngam gadra ngam moidra tawzira sa jaina ro no response
Tawse sir.
Tawse ba 32 ja okay fine kai nam jalo now do we have the noina ne kai khangi have the potential energy se gravitational potential energy si noina kai oi have the mgh oidra ka mgh cd do we have the madi amna limited oiba madi deduction ne ko reduced or tarak ne ba general oiba formula d minus z m1 m2 by r ne ko so adudu palaga edi koina kitang general oiba mong the solve to bodini ko question jim edi kaino pan ba yadaba kedoba mgh pan ba yadaba question ma'am yakone so the work done to raise a mass m from the surface of the earth to a height h to a height h so let's say height h sigi mass is c bawda ukatpa matamda which is equal to the radius of the earth so h is equal to re and haiba ko aduda leiba work done do kaino now hazikeda we have da sigi akoina sidaso yam kupsanna changba ya yam budi kupsanba nate ko gravitational force is conservative force neba gyan tabra aduna work done jina change in potential energy hedi aina work si negative work tawgadoi ba kai no di further away from the stable equilibrium ne aina puthokidoi je ko ana potential energy increase tor kaneba so adugi potential energy increase to neba moina puthwa is gyan tai ko ja ana work done to raise so work done w is equal to kaino habada f kedoba adum f smai hage ko f kai into x f dot x hai so do the minus lani obviously ko and capital Z lani aduga mm lani aduga r square where r is the radius of the earth haraga into ko dot haraga sigi again kedoba this is r ne ko aduna kai tarni ha matam the minus z mm by kai tarni r tarni ko the x natra yes ko mzr adu orgadi aina sisidam ka kedoba yai habda ZMM adudi moina CC small z sizinabnina kedoba moina again minus key values is moi sizinadre ko again it's not a big deal so capital Z m by r square zd okay yeah see r square yours why should I waste another step cd kai oini have the minus mgr tadra tadabra tadro kai have the since z is equal to capital Z by r square neba aduna c portion zina small z da sakre m lemore r lemore so minus kai tare mgr tare yarbo ma'am
Hi, sir.
yai ka
Sir, question, sir,
hairo
2023 के question थारके sir.
tharo aduni sir na pami ju adumai torok dune na question tharo ko question tharo ai how dagi again PYQ khatang dana te noina ngamdaba question adum thajalo ko adumaina tharo ko dune sir pamis tharo sir ngai tharo question junior kai de thar ka doino sir gi private de thar ka doira sida dum class ki free class ki sida ka sida dum thajala su yai ka na question di yorak 3 thajalo dum question da ka isigi si dum so tham ge ka okay so nang question ngai boi na ka top question ma kha khra yeng si now question number 6 is 2016 is at what height from the surface of the earth the gravitational potential and the value of z are this and this respectively have a take the radius of the earth as 6400 kilometers so sig is knowing a saja hainaro question number 33 34 je saja hainaro
Tawze sir dum.
dum tawse ba okay so question your amala okay see hand or see at what height from the surface of earth the gravitational potential and the value of z are this and this okay fine so moina is z divided by kedoba z by z of h to kai z by her 1 plus h by re whole square so this is equal to the value of z this is equal to 6 meter per second square and then I'm gonna gravitational potential the minus sarga z m by r e plus h is equal to minus 5.4 into 10 to the power 7 joules per kg so see anisida noina kamai toraga puthokadino have ne z of h so now c minus cancel chakre ZM by aduragadi C is sumai piram manina sarna kedawi have the question gi adumai dum sem doksem jin question matungina ka so sir si the capital Z harga M ana laage ka aduna farni adu oibata aragadi aina sigi pot si kamaina loba yai have matamda equation 1 and equation 2 ani sidagi take the radius of the earth r radius of the earth pyramid so height to put whatever height h to so simple this is so simple nangna kay gumba equation 2 zida equation 1 na divide tawba taragadi makhada leibani na ko CCRE plus h na try yes manika so c zo a even CCA sumaina yeroge CC kamai ni kamai sige ha matam da isumai yeroge ko ZM by RE plus H whole square ni yeroge sinen fare ka adu ergadi ain equation 2 to 1 am divide to share yes 2 to 1 am divide to orge aduna mathakta RE plus H lemani ka kayino de makhagi makhani na ita ko RE plus H am lemani is equal to haraga 0.96954 adu ergadi H is equal to haraga 0.9 into 10 to the power 7 minus 6400 haitare ko minus 0.9 10 to the power 7 never ko aduna 6.4 into 10 to the power haraga kilometer ahum ko 4567 10 to the power 7 aina to isik kitang soibra habda 6954 0.9 tai 10 to the power 7 adu 6 daina point nam jalagadi 10 to the power 3 line 10 to the power 6 have ka so 10 to the power 6 never ka aduna 0.64 haragadi ani ka aduna this is 0.64 into 10 to the power 7 yare how the kai tarasidi it implies h is equal to haraga 9 ko adu the 6 tarni aduga 8 minus 62 tarni aduga haidi 0 ahum hapani 1 2 3 ka so into chumbra nate point silere ko sida anim chakra ba 0 tare tage anim chakre adu orgadi 0 manga du nang na kilometer orgadi kilometer half ke hargadi 0 ahum amna kilometer gi chakra na manga de ani kale morning ko so that will be equal to 2600 kilometer ma'am sisi gyan ta hawdabra yam luman bra kanam tagi respond laptre gyan ta hawbro ma'am
Sir, tawid.
tahoy ko
Tayo,
atay
sir.
tabra okay so ito start ko Kingston Kabita Nikhil Olivia Saitobos Lakshmi Anjali Christina Sintoy nolin tabra taiko okay okay fine so just in case I did tadra gadi dum tade dum hayo ko kemta dugi sir na dum I'll explain it once again as long as edi noi tadri bo dum explain to go ni ka so yare ya lage si kitang singat kito na okay fine now let's move on to the next question move on to dring ida moi kena thara correct question ka Lakshmi na question thare so see question je download to bana farani I'll just download it ka PYQ erga 2023 have an answer let it be anything ka math exertion no one second question is saying bra 2023 okay fine see there you go okay so two bodies of mass this and this are displaced are placed at a distance this is the gravitational potential on the line joining the bodies where the gravitational field equals 0 will be, and I have a con. So okay fine, it's a very simple question. Now let's solve it. Yare ka 2023 ki question si question ihe aina noi deng sai screen share tramde Sigi question ji noi loinamuk solve tawwa ngamoidra ngamgada mi yaubra. Yung question paro. Sidaisi two bodies of mass m and 9m are placed at a distance r have a car. So mm layer and then 9mm layer. This is 9m, this is m, and they are placed at a distance r apart. The gravitational potential on the line joining the bodies, gravitational potential V, where the V equals 0, B is equal to 0, and okay, V is equal to 0, and the gravitational potential on the line joining the bodies where the gravitational field equals 0. Okay, gravitational field na 0 over jaga da adu du da laiba potential du puto u na have ne ba. Okay, fine. Yam phasai question jam phasai ko. It's a very nice question. So V is obviously V1 plus V2 la kani ba. 1 zina because of this and 2 zina because of this. But now kada we have the uneasy ki kano si 0 chat ke har ga dikai da chat kani ha matam da again magi, let's say this is kahani m1. Okay, this is kahani e har ga sina b har ga ba. Auna f kada wa sigi se force on this part a is f a due to b ay tareka. Sisi kada wa sisi asomda sakini. And then f the force on b due to a zina asomda sakani ba. Now sigi uneasy equal oiba jagado adudu kaida leige duneba ko sigi force uneasy. Can ta right se tai ko. Okay, fine ko. Dunna okay, we have the gravitational potential where the gravitational field equals 0 have a. So field force uneasy with this mind there. Let's find out field z where the gravitational field equals 0. Adu the field uneasy magnitude manaraga. Suppose let's say so ida sigi mapasida ko. Let's say this is point C hai give ko. Munna tau ko si noi de kitang confusing chat pe munna tau. Yam di lai adubu noi de confusing chat pagi chance lay. Aduna munna tau. Sigi point C hai ba jaga sida aina fill ji check tau de ne sida sida. Fill ji ko. Fill ji kaya lai ni have the fill due to B. Fill due to B and fill due to A ko. Fill due to B ji asom chakani have the ko. And then fill due to A ji na asom chakani ba. Kaino di ani mo chingjan na ni gyan tai kai ja. Uneasy kaido we have equal and opposite or point C the field net field 0 ta ga doi ne ba. Adu sir mayai de 0 ta ga taroi ko mayai de kai no am the field the only source mass khatang ne ba test mass to yaw ba de ba hadi field of mass A have matam the small m g gi hadi small m ji the maram oraga laiba field ne ba at the point C. See the C lai gera lai ro da kata de field have a potential have is the 2 mass ki daga sunta ta de ama khatang yeng de ne ba ko aduna field due to A is equal to kaino have the capital Z m I'm sorry capital Z m divided by kaino have the r square. So r doing let me take it as x square kaino di sigi jaga si let me just take it as x. Yare ko aduga fill and then C kind of minus I kept with the nebuco. Yam chumna iragati and fill due to B at this point, at the point C haitareko. So let me take it as fill on C due to A and fill on C due to B because he said auna CA later CB put okay capital Z harga 9M lani divided by harga kailani have the R minus X whole square la ani ko and then magi ni kito I kept layer ni ko ana uneasy field is 0 net field 0 we have any mo ni magnitude mana ni aduna vector nu ngama maloin tok thoga direct adum thamjulage ko gm by x square is equal to 9 gm by har kito r minus x whole square and thamjulage adu erga di gm ga ka kre aduna kai lay have the everything is 3 square ni dana ko auna square root ma'am c is 1 square ne ba aduna can I write like this 3x yung ko ngawri yung kitang samake ko 3x the 3x is equal to harga r minus x tare it implies the x is equal to harga r c minus is some puri 4 ko, so r by 4 tare ko x r by 4 auna c r by 4 da layrani ko aduna di kai do we have the som side layrani sir na som ye soe so I delay then fill 0 is ko aina som do in excel center of mass wa kan ne nga tan khali ado jiong ne angazina fari jiong sida lay roi ji tak lay jiong r by 4 hargadi si mayai ji ki tangkhai swai de layrani ba gyan tabra fazadra ja aina sida lay ne loksal line ba ko adubu answer da kedo r by 4 tare ba aduna koina kitang di bab ta kitang soi raga su answer ji no yarakte ba si sida tarni anyway hazik moina puto haji kaina potential sigi sineba ko v1 and v2 adudi v1 di kai tarni have the z and then m divided by kaino minus zm divided by x neba ko so x to the r by 4 yare ko and v2 do na kaino have the v2 do na kaino have the minus z 9m divided by kaino have the r minus r by 4 the 3r by 4 yare ko adu regadi net v di kaino v1 plus v2 ni so adu this is the 4 minus zm by r harga you can take it as 4 ni ko 1 by 4 nate 4 ni do not this is 4 the minus is common log plus la ni ko and then 9 so 3 are 9 so 4 3 12 12 la ni ko adudi 4 plus 12 is 16 dare ko auna option number A should be the right answer tabre mom tamya oh response tabro
Tare sir.
Taisha.
Taiko. Okay, fine. Answer tare ko sige option number A. So sir no whole is gyan tahu bra. Amte yung gyan tahu bra yung tahu da di sir. Adi matang tahu din na dum hairo sir explain to ko. Sir lazy explain to nam ni ko. Noi da
ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯝꯇꯒ ꯍꯟꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯣ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯌꯦꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯩ ꯍꯧꯔꯒ
okay ho hange ko. So sige pull up kak thatlaga no ye follower. So kaino have the okay mass ani lere ko let's say this is m and let's say this is 9m lere ko and then let's say this is position A and let's say this is position B yare ko adu hazik moina puthwai ji kaino have the field 0 oiba ko and gravitational field is force the equal and opposite oiba ko gyan dabra but field har gadi kaino have the field of force ka keneva field har gadi due to the field due to A ha matam da C je yauro oiba C mass yauro oiba and field due to B have the songi mass yauro oiba B de leba mass ka tang yaw dine ba ko awna mass kana na hil na chawi ha B ne chawbai na field du mayai de loksal ro B ne kallane ba awna khar sondarak na ba sowai de lower ne ba gyan dai ga ja so let's say this is option number C so C gi C hai ba point da field ani khak equal and opposite oina ne ba ko and this field is due to the A field at C due to A is directed in this direction ko and then some direction then kaino have the field due to C field at C due to B jina som da chakaneba kai sir som chakadu si ha matam da akoina field gi direction field is kino field is force by mass ne mass to your right and have z m by harga r square neba field is or z or you may say zm by d square har zi aduna bu hena fabra na d square har zu yai ba ko so aduna aina zikeda we have the sigi point c di kai de lay do khangdam ni na ina randomly let me take this as x adu ergadi cg obviously c kai tare have the r minus x tare kai di moina chi total z r lap nai haram me ba ko their distance r apart aduna kai we have the at the distance x lay my field di kai we have the gm by x square la ani gm by x square and magi direction ji assume the lay banina minus I cap the left side the lay banina and field at point C due to B jina assume the ching dui ne gravitational force in ching dui ni na sida mass lak ko da ko na ke do is assume na positive I cap ta ni ko magi direction je aduga magi gm m du di 9m ni na ko B di divided by a distance to the r minus x or the r minus x whole square la ni ko now kai I have the moi field ani ji net field 0 tai have ko where the field equals 0 haragadi equal and opposite or kathana doing same point the field any have the same point the act over any cancel out or neighbor auna sigi magnitude ka si magnitude ka equal or any ko nang direction happening gonna vector when thamni direction happening gonna magnitude to the equal or so si kakna ba ya kakna kan x is equal to r by 4 phang ya na sigi x in r by 4 or gadi r minus r by 4 di 3 r by 4 tare dana hedi ac is in r by 4 or di cb di 3 r by 4 ta zare ba ko potential has the minus gm by r ne v has the kind of the minus gm by r ne ko aduna si r ji kaino ji akoi di r by 4 ni v1 gi di because of a hatare ko va har si na va ni and then si na bb ni an khallo gyan tabra ta dabra ngawbra
ngawde sir
gyan ta hawda mi yawbra si ji ai kaino ina hairage ba ko si ji VA, BB, and A1 to load them in the call. Let's take it as VA and BB, VA and VV, VA and VV. Yarba me amle namak sigza. Can I respond to operator?
yarni sir
Yani ka. Lakshmi Yarba.
Yare sir.
Kingston Yarba, Setobos, Nikhil, Sintoy, Olivia,
Yare sir.
Kavita.
Yare sir.
Sir, yarni sir.
yarni sir
Okay, fine. Christina Yareka.
oh sir
Okay, so makata original de. Maka noi atopa question khang double ju thajalo ba topic sigi question anywhere dagi noi PYQ hoigera noi JEE ki question hoigera natra noi na error list tai hoigera any coaching institute ki any test series ki any question sigi the best over any question noi ngam da ba sir gi online class ta tharak ki har gadi topic chana na dum tharo aduga topic chana deng khalaga di adum class na tabida dum tharo sir dum solve to birake explain dum to birake ba but again I said the question yam welcome to kai no the aina sida lay variety si khatang na te wen solve to ning is but time constraint lay ba o de myamam lay ba dagi aina question si PYQ at least PYQ ho di no solve to gen khan ba gi ne but noina sida hena phajaba question pura ga di I'm more than happy to solve in the online class. So question number 33 z tawgraba tawgre 34 again infinite number of bodies each of blah 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 from the resulting gravitational potential due to this system at the origin is she's in knowing question number 34 is tawzira
Tawzi sir.
tawzi ko si di noi kenone series ki formula khang di right question je pet pa the ko series ki kano wait kai wait okay fine at the origin so let's say this is the origin and lines could play isazi play when isazi oyoine pamis line paidabra paidade ko sumai pamgano laptop gano chumme ba naksalagana height che kitang sana da ma laptop ki height ga keno to ko du kitang isazi paijal le anyway at a distance 1 2 4 nice zaine ka 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 so quite first moina I see masi sidam le 1 dam le 2 dam le then 4 dam le then 8 dam le mas ku tham je ko yam tin question yam tin luhan bagi lu mai mong da ne moina to ja so this is 1 this is 2 this is 4 this is 8 now this is o ko origin is 0 ni ko 0 is o I get whatever na heading mong hairo so sida kaina kaidoni have the gravitational potential of because of mass at a distance 1 because of mass at distance 2 because of mass at distance 4 units because of the mass at distance 8 units and next kai lakani have the 16 line 1 1 into 2 the 2 2 into 2 the 4 4 into 2 the 8 8 into 2 the 16 so on and so forth ka adan chakaduni ka so aduna di kai lakani ha matam the v net V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus V4 plus dot 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 plus K Vn sumai general formula sumai lerni ko adu oiba taragadi hauzik ke we have matamda what is my V1 is minus haraga Z M by haraga 1 by 1 hadi kaino have the V kaino V minus ZM by R ne Kaugraba, Kaudiko, ZM by R niko. So R do 1 lapum 1 by 1 ore. Matangda 1 by 2 ore. Matangda 1 by 4 ore. Matangda 1 by 8 ore. Matangda 1 by n ore ne. Sisi gyan tay ta de. Mayam tabro ta da bro sigi se.
Tai sir.
Tay ko adu noi na kitang noi match low na rakpra. Adu noi kangbuzi higher match ka tam na rakpra match low dragasu class 10 da. Geometric progression and amal like the kangbra an is equal to harga a 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r and over or sorry summation n an have take sn have sn kay you have the a and d a harga 1 minus r to the power n have so I don't need to find an here this natragana ko or amagalay Chamalay ko Sn is equal to a haraga r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. See formula ani karamba na karamba season ani animak sinabi animak chapti mane no gi common ratio do kay gumba 1 day pi gana si season ro 1 day chaw na si season ro have ne ko negative tholok tana but it hardly matters chamane so akoi gi ratio ji kaino half tanang na 1 kedo ba common ratio half to 1 na yellow kay tai half tai 1 by 4 da half na yellow kay tai habidi sigi next preceding terms ida ko natragana noina habidi kari ni into toksel 1 da kay ni into toksel kan half tarakani half da kay ni into toksel 1 by 4 tarakani half 1 by 4 da kay ni into toksel 1 by 8 tarakani half 1 by 8 da kay ni into toksel 1 by 16 tarakani half adana adu really kay ta ne minus zm a is again first term there first term is 1 then 1 minus half to the power n of the 2 to the power n tayo ko divided by kidoba 1 minus half tayo yan tay ta de sige je tabra ma'am tay ko so masi si kaino have the moi this sige power n z yawram dre ko the resulting gravitational potential se aduna okay fine ko n z naman kusila po ka n z kamain to mga ni 1 si budum kakrani buko so minus zm m z kaino mang oh 1m 2m have ni ko distance na tamale ni nate distance ni ko 1 meter 2 meter 2 kg have this m is 2 kg ko then this m is 2 kg so I'll just put it as 2 ko d 2 minus 1 d1 and 2 2 z 4 so minus 4 times z harga 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power n tayo chumbrashan to isa 2 minus 1 d1 and 2 do mathakakalagadi minus 4g 1 minus harga 1 by 2 to the power n tayo ko okay fine so sige hindi ka mainter samjani ka sige si ka mainter samjani let me think about it ka noise you can toro ko noise pet khalo ka mainter ga tawba yani na ko sige so just a second ka one a by 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r there you go so comment of the getter 1 minus r there you go formula se it's a bit strange the oil tuna kind of derivative have the answer is kaita minus 4g tabra
Sorry, sir.
Okay, fine. Kai have the 2 to the power something je aduki matik chawkhalaga cc negligible oirani buko aduna obviously kaino ha matamda cc aina sumain lotion be abyo aina sigi je moina formula si kaida we have the is equal to haraga minus 4z hairko aduga minus 4z haraga 1 minus 0 tarakani buko kaino 1 minus 0 tarakadina sa hairake buko मोइगी मतुंग इनदी सी मासे सुमाइ सुम चक्किदोइनेबा अदुना कई ले है मतमदा 1 minus 0 which is equal to minus 4z तारने कई नो है मतमदा 1 by 2 to the power n से cc is kedoba approximately equal to 0 if kedoba n c kedoba if n if n is very large if n is very large mathematical term the higher gonna limit nung n tends to infinity this n is forever this n is the 1 by 2 to the power n obviously cc 0 taroidra gyan ta da brasi ki ha tabro no response sigi minus 4z 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power n eva but again this n j mana kai have the adum chaki dune be n j this n j nam chawkala di 1 by a number du di kai no 1 upon infinity ki type tara ne so 1 by infinity du di kai no 0 ne auna adu negligibly small or ne 1 minus 0 di 1 auna minus 4z dum ta jare gyan dai ta de ma'am
ताई सर
tai ko
Sorry, sir.
okay fine ma'am gyan ta da yaubra Christina Kavita tabra
Pare, sir.
okay fine Kingston Saitabos Nikhil Sintoy
ताई सर
okay fine let's move on ko pung kya tarzan jiksu pung z 9:15 chatlaga leram so question number 35 siding am gadrong a body of mass m is taken from the earth's surface to the height equal to twice the radius r of the earth the change in potential energy of the body is an ICD am like sir siga mana bang solve to grade no si singa madra tawzira sajairo sajara
Trying ang money. 18.
can sorry 35 singa moy dabam mi yaubra yadra lonima
Yes, sir.
okay so 36 a particle of mass m is situated at the center of a spherical shell of same mass and radius a the magnitude of the gravitational potential at a point situated at half of the radius distance from the center will be in heaven. So CD Adam always kind of Gm by E equal option number A. It doesn't matter where it is situated. Inside a hollow shell, the gravitational potential is constant and koi derive to gre ko adu kau thokanu. Yabra ma'am. 36 se. No yad hero yar gani ya hero ba. Tumina lesson gano ba. Question number 36 is yada mi yaubra yada di haro sir explain to geba
Yarni, sir.
Yarni, sir.
यानी
yani ka okay fine so question number 37 jidi so a body of mass m is placed on earth's surface which is taken from okay earth's surface to a height of h equal to 3r then change in gravitational potential energy achap manai ko 37 100 35 tong to ode amana ngasai kai dano 32 ra 32 ne 30 ga 5 ne 30 ga 7 ne question chap manai ko si dum no tawzaro Now we have kaidoba escape speed lerni or the mathang topic sina kaino earth satellite lerni and energy of orbiting satellite lerni, then geostationary and polar satellite lerni ko see I pull up one go the tak thoge ka. So it will be very interesting. Kaino
hꯧjikki sara ya ama GM by A tawaido
sigise
option da tadiyeno
kaino hajibo sisi GM by A ta de hera GM by A ta diba a particle of mass m is situated at the center of a spherical shell. The magnitude of the gravitational potential at a point situated at a by 2 distance from the center will be, and I have a neighbor car. Once again, a question a particle of mass m is situated at the center of a spherical shell of mass m and radius a. Okay, fine. So the magnitude of the gravitational potential at a point situated at a by 2 distance from the center will be have a car. Of same mass and radius a of same mass have a car. So I do get d minus dum gm by a tagadavani kai okay sisi ta dehra gm by a ta dehra ba
moigi of answer key da tadi
answer key da kai tai ba
moigi duna 3GM by A.
Okay. Adu ragadi mo solid or mani adudi adudi shell ke do hai ba adudi hollow shell gi di constant hoy gadam ni minus gm by a ta gadam ni ko tang strain so ni ko adudi la solid oiba taragadi solid ki formula palaga tarakadaba ko yengzi solid ki formula pala tarakpren hollow gi oragadi keno ji tagadam ni option number a ji tagadam ni ko ine to isi si machi dam yaw mani sim ka tak question je sumaina shell ji hollow natra solid anapan biram dabje si laibak thivani kaino di confusion ka there is a kidoba room for doubt and confusion ai ta duna hairaga su so adum question ji the hollow natra solid ne do hairam dam shell hai de kodi hollow ne low in general shell hai je ka solid and low na de aduna moina kai no kamai show you know do igyan ta tre so anyway you can see okay yeah go so fine Aquina do we have the potential ni this is not potential energy, it is potential and potential V is equal to harga Gm by 2a cube harga nahan gido ningzing bra 3a square minus r square ra nahan direct to kaw bra ba ngarang na direct to ngarang ni sila
sir.
chumra jigda yes ka kedore sila ka isi I want the screen the cancel u there 2a cube 3a square minus r square 2a cube 3a square minus r square okay chummi gena se sila ba dai ka aduna cc moina tawiji ken gm harga 2a cube harga cc kai lobo moina toija 3a square minus distance r do kai no moi loija a by 2 have na tra the a square by 4 yare ka adu ragadi kai no 4 3 is 12 minus kai do ba ain to chumra this magnitude at a point is situated at a by 2 distance from the center chumi kai no Okay, so distance r is a by 2, distance from a by 2 the whole square d, so si tani aduagadi 4 is 4 3 12 12 minus 1 the 11 tiny ko 11 gm a divided by 8 tiny sorry 11 gm by 8 tiny ko 4 3 is 12 11 gm by a taro ko the moina kay lowa this is the 3 taba 3 is kamana na tayo 2 with 4 3 is 12 4 3 is 12 mathak the 12 laiba taragadi answer tade ne natragana 8 324 something kind of square ba square is kaidano have to tawtre ka ana kaina square is kaidano have matamda
Sir,
how
mass sida mass m achobase 1050 a by 2 gi mass oina lawroidaba.
Okay kano je ka question sigi kano ina ka question sigi matung ina chumine a particle of mass m is situated at the center of a spherical shell of same mass and radius a have the magnitude of the gravitational potential at a point situated. Let's say I have a shell and magi center aduna sidajida a by 2 sidajida su laiba mass capital M neva whole mass is whole total mass is capital M neva situated at the center of a spherical shell of same mass and radius a the a by 2 laknaba aina kayumba kano toba taragati gm by harga distance a by 2 the magnitude of the gravitational potential at a point situated at a by 2 distance from the center a by 2 distance from the center mass ani jina maram orga laiba potential haidine buka okay adu orga ngasagi amagi mass ina laiba mass amazina maram orga laiba potential dudi kaina gm by gm by a by 2 distance ko amazigina gm by harga minus gm by em di lane so ko let's say sigi mass let's say this is m1 and let's say this is m2 ne ko on a v let's say v1 plus v2 taren khalajeba adu the aham sigi oina di inside the shell nina minus gm by a dum lejarani ko adu akon bagi sigi di man leiba jaga adu the my potential putho ne
adudi majo minus g am by a by 2 orni adudi 2 do mathotala ani minus 3 g by a tar gm by a
minus 3 gm by a ko nangna sigi sidal haiji minus gm by a by 2 la ne ba aduga minus 3 gm by a sina tronaija
oh
potential ahambagi particle of mass m is situated at the center of a spherical shell of mass m oh yeah aina misinterpret tore to ide aina misinterpret tore and my hot goodness ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅꯗꯤ ꯁꯔꯅ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯣꯜꯂꯤ ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯥꯁ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯤꯁꯏꯟꯇꯔꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯇꯦꯟꯁꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯄꯣꯇꯦꯟꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜꯗ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯣꯇꯦꯟꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ v1 + v2 ꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯂꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯦ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯤꯁꯏꯟꯇꯔꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯁꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯣ ꯄꯣꯇꯦꯟꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜꯁꯦ ꯗ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯇꯨ ꯗ ꯐꯥꯔꯁט ꯋꯥꯟꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ gm/a ꯅꯤ ꯀꯣꯟꯁꯇꯦꯟꯅꯦꯕ ꯗ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯇꯨ ꯗ ꯁꯦꯀꯦꯟ ꯃꯥꯁ 2ꯒꯤꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯁ 1ꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯀꯣꯟꯁꯇꯦꯟꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ v1 ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯁ 1ꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯕ v1 ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯇꯥꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯈꯟꯖꯜꯂꯝꯗꯣꯏꯖꯥꯔꯥ ꯑꯩꯅꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯊꯩꯌꯦꯕꯨ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯎꯗꯕꯅꯦ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯗꯗꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯈꯔ ꯆꯤꯡꯊꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ v1 ꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ माइनस gm/a नेब नो मैटर वेयर द कइदोबा पोजीशन इज बट मास 2 गी ओइनदि कइनो हाबदा v2 दो कइनो माइनस gm by हारगा a/2 लाकनेबको कइनोदि सिगी डिस्टेंस a/2 लापेबा मास 2 दगी यान ताइ गाइजा मास 2 दे a/2 लापेबा अदुननेबा हाइ टोटल रेडियस ति a नि नको यान ताइ तादे टोटल दुने a नेबा मैम ज्ञान तारबो सिसे
Tare, sir.
Okay, fine. Ataydi tarbo. Kavita,
Tare,
Christina,
sir.
Lakshmi,
Tare, sir.
Olivia, Sitabos, Kingston, Nikhil, Sinthoi, Tarba. Tare ko. So akwina kenoni akwina soirisi I don't know have the kari masai do question je kwina lana paba sarna asagi khalujina single quite first thing hamba khalujina single mass hollow shell amagi manunga potential kya layena haidi at a distance a/2 the always minus gm/a dum taneba but moina haji mass among thamjalle mass ama si mass ama ji moina center da thamme amneba aina khalujina at a distance a/2 da thamme na khaluba at a distance a/2 thambai sarna mamang holom du ta doineba but moi ji center da thamaga at a distance a/2 the potential kya lay putho u na hangmane ko auna question du kitang koina situated at the center ji aina situated at a distance a/2 in khallaga hotleme ko adugini soido anyway fine yare ko sisa now let's move on to the next question ka matangi torsi so matangi haise I think I have to teach you escape velocity ka escape speed to doni ka so let's move on to the next topic escape speed ka munataro ai hazik loina ba takadoni ka escape speed ya muntau ka it's very important munatau and khwaidi live gravity lai haise hazik to ka arai ba ngata ne aruboi loigre gravity luba ya ba ge loi loigre hazik ti kaino arai bi suru ngata ne ba ko auna earth ki surface tagi aina some satellite ama or some rocket ama ina kapkhatle ko some rocket ama kapkhatle ta mai ga tor kapkhatle or whatever si da aina ke do si da satellite ama yarum ba ji ai khangde ko satellite ji pure du kapkhat to matam ji da mana we have the earth ki gravity ji escape to we haragadi and da guys earth ki gravity ji escape to we haragadi kaidoni have the kam kan kapkhat ka doino have the ne ba so yenga si ko it's very simple this is earth ka adudi yeng akoina kai we have the ma'am hero gravitational force karamba force ne ba conservative la non conservative la sajai ro kai no kan ko tijiba gravitational force conservative la non conservative la
Conservative.
very good conservative what is the kai we have the conservation of mechanical energy formula pan ba ya bra ya da bra yai ko aduna koi friction neglect toni ba friction leite na khallani ba ko aduga kai doni have the s gravitational force or s gravitational force is conservative high mutta kai do ba adum kai do ba applying the conservation of mechanical energy has we are ko or escape adum direct higher ke ko potential energy initial plus kinetic energy initial is equal to potential energy final plus kinetic energy final, because of application of conservation of mechanical energy. And why it is applicable have the because the gravitational force is a conservative force. Escape speed si kai di lakuna have the khango application of one second. Application of conservation of mechanical energy. Yeah, this is great. Now, Earth ki surface to my potential energy is kaino hai m minus kaino sajairo minus z me m divided by re. M is subscript ni ko mass of the Earth hai ni ko plus magi kinetic energy kaino half mu square. Magi mazi potential energy final the baucha ki deni infinity baucha ki deni infinity bo la pagadi re do infinity or 0 tarani plus kedoba sum kedoba kinetic energy tarani sum ke f ko and s kedoba ke f is always greater than or equal to 0, so kedoni have the minus z me m divided by re should always be greater than or equal to minus something should always be greater than or equal to minus half mu square. So m ga kre, and it implies u should always be as this should be greater than 0, so c term should be greater than 0, so c poche asom puram si lereba u z it should always be greater than is kind of sure. Kinetic energy is 0 then C poche 0 then okay, fine. Minus sign J in a C minus sign J in a tak long low toki matum the net. Kay lakani hangra, G to minor lakaneo. Adu no kanjalo minus on toki matum, knowing our procedure. When I do organ a minus sedum sedum low talks are again, do see us on the all again. Sina pagadra. Cantabra ma'am. Taiko. Aduna u square z kind of the uz root over hierarchy 2 z me by re tar, which is approximately equal to 11.2 kilometer per second. Kyan tabro ta dabro ma'am?
Tayo, sir.
Taiko. Aduna sigi use in ever ko sigi use in ever ko escape speed is escape speed. Now, what is the idea here? Sidalay iba idea zika ino have matam da yung ko nang na. Pura mazi nang na langkat ka doy neba surface siday ko. Ana sigi surface sidagi nang na pura mazi langkat pa matam da adum tarak ka niya pose. Nang panayang wang langkat tarak ka nang nung mayam kapkala jo adum tarak ka niya. But nang nan kapkali ba nung may or langkali ba po to 11.2 kilometer da kapkat ka ba? Amukan tara roy ba. Hoy friction lay ba ina tawadi tarak ka ni ko auday kare hendab di aroy, but friction di lay train lower deba. 11.2 km per second nang na initial velocity is 11.2 km per second yo hola kapkat kraba amukan tara roy ba adu completely escape to redom neba awna idea ji kaino have the pot amaji nang ek kapkat pa matam da ek langkat pa matam da magi ke doba potential energy dudi again akoi khangi minus m1 m2 by r ni ko awna si me ga r ga sijale m1 ga r ga imota. Then kinetic energy the half mu square layer. My final potential needed energy to the forever adum sakramina magi distance to infinity muk chawrani on ma zero gamanani, but my kinetic energy the maji lep sunglay layer forever adum sakradum ne my velocity is 0 sunglag la roiba adu gadi kinetic energy ki term always greater than 0 adum tarne 0 de chawbam di tarne ba the som ki term jina 0 den chaw the som ki term 0 de chawgadam ne si asom the pugre yan dai kwai and sin and adu regadi som the kedorni have the use da c this minor kedoba greater than or equal to 0 ni, so c asom pu gre ko aduna use in a char ni haitare ko kaidoba sir na haise noi na sigi step se noi ngaurum mizu ngau mizu yom be ai ko aina si the step hap ke ko kai yum noi na sigi minus z m by re hargeba it is adu dikidone have the greater than or equal to minus harga half mu square ne ko m budi ka khre kem kai de but noi minus se kakpa matam da ne gm by re is it is less than or equal to u square by 2 half u square tarakane minus se minus lau thogadi natro gyan tabra sisa noi na ngawrga haidin ngawba ya room ngawba ya room am dei ba ga si noi ka ngawba ya ko aduna sigi se kai no amatam ne one let's say minus 3 is greater than minus 4 never but nang sign the lau thogadi 3 is smaller than 4 hairoi tro gyan tai ba ja minus to kakki ge harga di auna magi equality sign do on thok na rakane anu som le mu do som ola kane ko u square z edor rakane abda sumai la kane na this is greater than contain greater than or equal to 0 and c whole term c greater than or equal to 0 ni c som chakre aduna c c u so aina e is bu di square ba ko kedoba u should be greater than or equal to this have ko auna magi kedoba sigi magi aduna isi the ue na tapsalage ko e stands for escape so escape velocity ue have si kaino have da yamdrabada 11.2 km oigadamni friction leitragadi natra udai bu helaba 11.2 km dai bu helaba forever adum chakrani ba aisi earth thadokrani earth ki atmosphere wang chakrani solar system wang chakrani akoi gi milky way galaxy gi wang chakrani ka aude akoi gi kedoba sigi whatever akoi gi universe gi wang chakrani so noi hapet khangbra akoina nasa na torga voyager 1 voyager 2 na ko ani thadokibani so voyager 1 di am kuire solar system gi wang chakiba and voyager 2 zu dum hajik moiji kaino tawre ko kedoba moigi solar system gi wang da cross tawre voyager 2 zu ko noina sangmatam da internet hapet yengo voyager 1 voyager 2 na ko so moi dum chakram ni forever so I this one halaro adu akoi jik keno to wangam dreba connect to wangam dreba voyager 2 zu ko 1 di connection lost to bam kuire kaino di pluto dagi hena lap na chakreba so voyager 2 zo ji solar system pluto de hena lap na chakreba ko aduna koi contact to wangam dreba ko anyway so this is all about escape speed si fazana gyan taren lo yarba kana
Yeah, đúng rồi đấy sir.
yarbo kana num kenum hai ningu male okay yare
Yeah, đấy sir.
yare
Yeah,
okay fine now mathang da let's do kedoba earth satellite ko velocity of an earth satellite or see yes ko velocity of an earth satellite okay muneo velocity of an earth satellite saje phai bani kitang some the vision okay so this is kai nione no suppose let's say this is this is the earth and we have satellite here and mazi earth ki akoi with the chatle so anything which goes in kind of a circular motion the centripetal force amna soidam gi chingchen ni ba now adugi centripetal force to kaino have the force of gravity ne ba aduna kaidoni have that this is f ke hajiga fa hajira that should be equal to fz ne ba adune haji mana aduna adudai pala kadune ba aduna kaido we have the f a sorry f a hajiga f c hajiga kari ne to college f kaido hajiga f c hajiga ne ba so adu vitar gadi kaino have the fc should be equal to fg so fc di kaino have the mass of the satellite and velocity square by re plus h kaino have the mazi satellite surface the re the label nateba this is re and this is kaino see the re plus h neva I did this much is height h that go have the height h the neva like this magi total distance between the two bodies say kai oini ha matam da mazi re plus h or any ka. So that's it. And then this is equal to akoina kai capital Z me m divided by re plus h whole square. I'll add v is equal to kai root over Z me mm dika kreka divided by re plus h. So this is the formula for velocity of an Earth satellite. As simple as that. Yareko. Now, howzik sir sigi formula sigi page sida adum punna adum tawsallage ko aduna farani. Kaidoruni keno tawhallaga ko yamna saw su malaga lu su manam kanade aduna yari gai ten na tawraga lotion ge. Mathang da kidosige have the time period on tawsika. Favorite line sina chumbra sina kama. Okay, anyway. So I pakali no the kanjalam go dra na sini ka. So yam ko sir ye ziki cursor se mouse why the link is kanjan bra. Kanjan lem na. Kanjan bro ma'am. No response. I sing at ang utalagay dun na.
Sir, ling o yin.
Dito. Hazizi keno to is mouse link is ubra.
Uye sir kanjinde ngonde.
Kanjan de ko. Yeah, I think you may na I keno si video zita halaga di kanjan la kani buka adu. Hazik for example hazik link ko kanjan bro.
Ai sir gi video je asom da sing
Kanjinde.
thoye kanjinde.
I sorry videos is makala. As I sumain tawzarage se next page ta dum tawzarage se aduna fani na tragedy. Aina kai di keno to we have the observe to we have the video recording the top right corner da dum thole ba top right corner gi screen je aina kai gum sida aina season me am je ngon do uraga noi da khanjal le ba ko noi de to u da ba ta aduna kana da aduni ya som dum tawzarage time period. Now, time period is time is when kai khangi habda time is distance by kari velocity. So distance is let's say this is the earth and let's say this is the orbit of the satellite ka. Adu ibita aragadi amti yung ma'am magi kedoba orbital distance to CC di kayo niya total di kayo re plus h in the ka. So aduna kedo we have this the like aduna gi satellite ka. Aduna kaido we have the magi distance kaino have the 2 pi haidi sigi se distance total distance is you ni dana ka haidi satellite na chat to je one time period to chat to is ne ka meam gyan tabra no response tabro ta bro
Tai sir.
tai so 2 pi har kai len 2 pi r gi mu to kaino re plus h ne ba kaino di sigi circumference to 2 pi re plus h ne ba yes to my velocity has kai ta gaya z me by kaino re plus h adu erga di sidi kai ta ni hamatam da time period se aina kamaina to we I have the root over c se root over the location bata erga di ka so minus root over the location bata erga di c 4 pi square ta ni on 4 pi square c square la ni square do cube la ni ka ona re plus h whole cube ngor mani to is whole cube divided by z me tare ba. So this is equal to t. Aduna it implies t square is equal to 4 pi square by z me haraga re plus h whole cube ne ba. Auna c da noi ningsing bra serna Kepler lo taki noi kana ya ho sasat launa hainaro
Yeah, how is it?
Always
the serna Kepler with the low periods the serna kai hagia t square
Area
is directly proportional to a cube and ama hagibra
cube.
hagi ko adu do
Okay.
ina satellite the proof tower can have the earth satellite haji proof tower ba have the magi radius to semi major axis to orbit to semi major axis haji kaino my semi-major axis is the distance of the satellite from the center of the earth natro. The semi-major axis ki my radius si orbit to gi radius na trava. Semi-major axis hai. Gyan tai ta de. Tabro.
Sir.
Tai ko. This is the A. C A ne yare ko. Aduna this is the it is proof of Kepler's law of periods. Kepler's third law hai Kepler's law of periods hai gira. See the proof to reko yare ko. Yare ko. So
Yeah, sir.
Hazik similar igre then adu the last topic oina Hazik we have the yam live yam tien bamaga torsi aduga asi class solution yare ko. Energy of an earth satellite. Energy of an earth satellite. Aduga no ngasi class yawbugi kanaba point ama last haige ko sita ko lor kanda yam no kanaba ama idea practical report ama haige ko sigi chapter siga chanaba. So energy of an earth satellite, total energy E is potential energy plus kinetic energy. Now potential energy di minus Z MEM minus Z M1 M2 by RE plus H distance R to RE plus H and then magi kinetic energy di half mv square di Z ME by RE plus H whole square. So C di nang na square root ka kaktan nagi yare aduga minus kay tarni abada nuina kaya we have the sumain toro Z ME M harga RE plus H common law matam da minus 1 plus half tare adu finally minus 1 by 2 Z ME M by RE plus H. This is the formula for total energy of an earth satellite. Gyan taubra ma'am yam tumal laba ngawar ba. Gyan tabra ma'am sige se.
Hi.
Sir.
Taiga sige se since harga velocity is equal to root over Z ME by RE plus H. So no first time harga di sir di si formula ma'am yam pai ko le do da sir ju pha di ko ajiktai director hai di adu pha di hai ji aina ni ko di ke ne pha dra ga ju dum hai ngam ne di pha ba na ti si khang mane bu ko formula da di ngasai yam thuna quickly aina link to ngam me ba di velocity puto ke harga di kamai puto kani ga na velocity puto ke my centripetal force mv square by r do de puto kani ga na ko the since harga fc is equal to m b square by r ne ko r gi mo to r plus h la ni na my distance r plus h le be na ko adain to so adain of the time period puto ke distance with circumference of total distance traveled to the circumference of the orbital orbital path to the circumference of 2 pi re plus h name divided by velocity to the sidum tazare and then mau de di frequency put ho sum yare ko so sida pungloi di loire khoi gi se aduna sir na si question ji based on han ahamba koina gravity ki first class ta hai total energy negative oinin hai with always gyan tai ko adu hazik negative oile ma ba total energy is minus half G ME M by RE plus H yam tabra sir na je
Tai sir.
Tai ko yare ko so sumain lei aduga pung kya tare pung Z 9:51 chale ko pung ta dore class lo shilak po ina kainom hagi ko akoina what is the difference between geo stationary satellite geostationary satellite habum lay noina ko satellite the makal ahum lay geostationary habama geo synchronous and polar habama ko satellite there are three types of satellite. Now actually geosynchronous ki makha la kadini ko geostationary is I geo satellite C. One second. So the satellites, there are two types, polar and geostationary. So now again, geosynchronous ki makha da muka non-geosynchronous satellites dum laini ko. And then we have the geosynchronous and non-geosynchronous. Non-geostationary sorry. Okay, fine. Yare ko. So akoina kedo yabda TV nung yengba ko. Idea ko gi keno se. Noi keno kumba tong bra. Noi yumda natragan noi ni lay ba hostel or rent or wherever you stay. Noi the dish TV gumba kinba natragan hajikpudi am the option na amar kay gino di internet Netflix ki matam ni na ko. Habdi akoi gi kedo ba OTT platform am tholak paina OTT gi matam ni na dum batong na dre internet ID data pack am hapchal laga dum yeng yare ko. But chahi kharagi mamangda haitare some ID some 10 years taina last 5 years 5 to 10 years back duki matik akoina kedo we have the DTH and direct to home service si akoina Tata Sky lay audagi atopa mayamam su lay ko Reliance ki big TV kaina ko audagi di Airtel Dish TV lay audagi whatever idea Vodafone gi adu gi ta mayam lay dun ko ada into adu da akoina satin man me satellite am lay bu khangbra adugi satin man be satellite tu kadum da point to noi jum khan bada akoina adi direction ji point ame heta da direction ame heta da thamba yabra yadabra sajaro khangdragana khangde haro no response khangbro khangde ba ko adu da koine da thamning pa thamba yabra yade ba ko kai no di aine ek thamning pa thamura ba seng oi ba signal do seng oi ba ko adu gi so let's say this is the earth this is our mother earth and we have the let's say sumai layer ni mataki sina northern hemisphere ni and certain see the line am ching is kaino si equator ne ba earth si til pudi tawi ado I haziki na di til to holora ge kaino de aino no tanging is haziki kaino de ne ba akoi gi satellite se kai de line have so this is the kaino equator so adu ergadi ke we have the geosynchronous satellite sing se it takes exactly 24 hours neba on earth na sum spin tor kuma tam da ma dum spin tor aga dum 24 hours chap man chang min de neba let's say here is our country ko koi country ji ke do ba sumain tor aga asi de lei reng khala je ko whatever so asain tor aga so this is our country ko and we are here right there so akoi gi ke do ba country ji India gi oiba keno se kari akoi gi geostationary satellite se kai de thamni abda always geostationary satellite se equator gi mathak thagat ya dev swai de thagat ya dev yan dai ko or swai de thagat ya dev equator land ya dev ko earth ki any satellite polar wagera again equator have udi like but polar satellite har ga di kai wini amatam polar satellite har ga di poles to poles ko adoina let's say sumain tor ga chat kani ko polar satellites yan da right now polar satellite ti yam thuna kaidon kaidi kedo poles to poles satellite cha yamna thuna chatle have nong ma 24 hours to 6-7 times ka moizi revolution complete to 6 revolutions 7 revolutions per day but geosynchronous ki 24 hours changani exactly ko so let's say geosynchronous satellite haragadi sumaina magi kedo ba sumainga toraga sumainga to chakani ba or geosynchronous is sumaina chalazu yai ko sumainga to chalazu yai also poles to poles at paduna polar kawi and aduga polar satellite ko aduga magi time period ti my time period ti less than 24 hours ko and geosynchronous ki sina time period si 24 hours ta doini geostationary is 24 hours ta doini ba ko now geostationary haragadi koi gi kedo we have the koi satellite si kai de le ni ba koi satellite cha sidai sida le ni ba sigi mapa sida ko aduna kaidoni ha matam akoi gi manipur dagi habiti yengakpa matam da ko adi akoi national capital sida le then akoi gi india gi maya is sida le dana ko auno manipur dagi koina satellite signal senganinga di south west on deba adu aina kai gumba gujarat le ren khalaje rajasthan le ren khalaje south east on deba satellite north all over signal song phangara south di on deba de south to the southwest all over adi adu di quite signal just strong way neba Gujarat le southwest all over the soy the sakre the my mapa ta de on southeast on the Delhi the le ga direct south to on the gyan tai ta de gyan ta bro ta de bro
sir.
Tai sir.
Hi, sir.
so season aduna noina yumthak gumba noina leiba any yum gi ogera hostel gi mathak ta dum distribute chet pa gumba thiro kadum do on gi direction do chatti salliba ko yadabagi moy semam bai panglai da leithu angang nga leithu thamamba adudi amka lawba yadre but taseng na yengnariba this tv ma gi magi kedoba keno do magi receiver hai kedra ko asom dai transmitter receiver nai mai receiver gi satin man bu hektok bu ko antenna receiver hai ta tu kadom da turn to geng ko southwest turn to gani manipur da laibani na koina yare ko so adugi wani ana geosynchronous kidi kedo we have the magi di t is equal to 24 hours exactly 24 hours hoy gadini polar gina t is much less than 24 hours ka ana sumai lei ana poles to poles at pasidi yam thun na ka ongi name na chali aduna maji polar satellite ji name na chat pasina hanjan keno to wena mana weather forecasting gum baza sigum da season ei polar satellite je aduga akoina kedo we have da koigi any sonar gumba mapping of the akoina geo mapping haidi akoina for example google maps ke ka to ise sisina keno ko wi ko gps and a global positioning system ko wi ado akoi country gina navic hai ko navic and a ko so navic oigera gps oigera ani maksi kaino geostationary nga tane ba ko aduna adwain lei awdagi akoi gi kedoba aduga for example ai russia laire uk da laire canada laire khalaje magi geostationary satellite to the equator gi mapadam thagat ka doini ko aduna and again sigi distance yeng ko matam da kasham khena na te bai di sigi height ga kitang slant to ina chatlaga chu haidi si height already am khena baina it hardly matter signal dum chap manai ko so adugini haidi equator ma equator da le ga di noi signal do equator le di noi satellite ka satellite satin ni sumain thamni ba som da zu lei roi ko direct vertically upward da lei ni ba equator da le ga noi satellite noi satin man ba keno akoina northern hemisphere da leibena south da on ni ba akoina southern hemisphere da leiba ta ga north da on ni satellite haidi aina kai gumba australia gum new zealand gum da leiba ta ga di akoi satin do north lom da onjan ni ko kaino di moi gi geostationary do equator gi mapal gi mathak ta leideni sir na haning gi anta bra ta de
Tai sir.
tai ko anyway fine so pung tara ta thokre ngasi gi class si sida lo shalaji ko so
Thank you, sir.
thank you everyone for the class ko have a good night ko
Thank you,
Good night,
sir.
sir. Good night, sir.
good night okay good night everyone